Let's see how we can solder through-hole resistors. I'm going to bend the resistor legs at the two ends of the body. You can see how it is bended, and I'm going to place it on the dot board. You can see how it's placed on the dot board, and to make sure that it doesn't fall off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bend the resistor legs at a 45-degree angle very close to the dot board. Now I'm going to fix it into the helping hands. I'm going to check if the solder iron is into right temperature. Then I'm going to heat the pad using the solder iron. And from the opposite direction, I'm going to bring the solder wire in, and you can see the solder wire melt and making the solder joint. And I'm going to repeat that process to the second leg as well. And I'm going to cut the legs at the end of the solder joint so that it looks very nice after we solder. You can see the final end result and how the solder joints are made, and how it should look like if you have done a proper solder joint. So in a case that you don't have room to place the resistor horizontally, you can place the resistor vertically as well. So to do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bend one leg in a 180-degree angle, which is similar to this fashion. You can see how the resistor should look. And I'm going to place it on the dot board. And to make sure that the resistor doesn't fall off out of the board, I'm going to bend the resistor legs at a 45-degree angle very close to the dot board, and you can see the resistor is kept in place, and I'm going to fix it to the helping hands. And I'm going to take my solder iron and heat and check if the solder iron is up to the right temperature, and I'm going to tin the tip, and then I'm going to heat the pad and feed the solder wire, and you can see the solder joint being made. You can see how the resistor should look after soldering. And I'm going to take my cutter and I'm going to cut the resistor legs very close to the solder joint, and make sure that you don't cut through the solder joint, just right after the solder joint. And this is how it should look like.